point the palms straight down, but don't get too close to the body with this. So we come up, out, sink down, let it down. Now, we don't want to get in close, we want to keep it out. Up, and down. So here's the breath in. Breath out. We'll do just one more. All the way on the right, left foot out, 45-degree angle. Shift the weight forward, look to the right, shift back, the other way.
See you, Toby.
How you doing?
So here's the breath out, here's the breath in, arms loose and relaxed, breathing out. Now as you come back, let the left arm come down and left foot come in. Right foot goes out, 45-degree angle, left arm up. Shift the weight forward, breathing out. Shift back, breathe in. Slow breath out. Slow breath in. This will be the last one, so we breathe out. Then we breathe in, right foot comes back to center. All the weight in the right, left foot toe touch. We point the fingers straight down. We send the energy down the leg. You don't have to go far. Come up, shift. Now toe touch with the right. And we send the energy down the leg. So here's the breath in, and here's the breath out. Slow breath in, slow breath out. One, breathe out. Now both palms face the ocean. Feet come back to center. We just twist in the waist. Arms loose and relaxed. And then twist to the right. So here's the breath in. Slow. Here's the breath out.
So this is one of my favorite instructors, Ron. He's doing Shibashi. Some people say it's kind of a warm-up, but for a beginner, this is the perfect way to start Tai Chi, because these motions, you get to repeat them 4 or 5 times, and then they're all incorporated at different points in the sequence of Tai Chi, like 24 or 108 movements.
Breathe out. Now this next movement will have 2 different versions. So we start with our fingers spread apart. We make a small circle from the elbows. We come around, point. Now without moving our feet, we just twist around and end up pointing behind. Come back, circle, point, come around to the right, and point just a little behind. Now we do version 2. So if you like, you can stick with version 1, but in version 2 we come around, make a small circle. Now as we bring the hands around, the right foot comes back behind. All the weight's on the front leg. Back to center. Shift all the weight to the right. Put your weight forward. The left foot slides back as we go back. So here's the breath in. And here's the breath out. And last one. Breathing out. Back to center. This next one also has 2 versions. We put all our weight into the right. With the left foot, we do a toe touch, then a heel touch, then a toe touch, and then over. So that's toe, heel, toe, and over. Now here's version 2. If you like, you can raise the foot. So we do a toe point, heel point, toe point, and over. So it's toe point, heel point, toe point, and over. And this has 2 breaths. We breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Last one. Breath in, breath out, breath in, and breath out. This next one also has 2 versions. Our whole body rises up, our hands come up, shoulders down. Now without moving our feet, we just sink down. Come back to center. We go 45 degrees the other way. Raise the whole body up. The arms come up. And without moving the feet, sink down. Now if you'd like to try version 2, the body comes up and the right foot goes back behind the left. And now we sink down. So here's the breath in as the whole body goes up. And here's the breath out as the whole body comes down. Breath in. And last one. Back to center. We curl our fingers. First we stand tall and the hands float up. Now we push out with the sides of our hands. So the sides come out. We sink down and the hands just gently float down. So first stand tall, pull up, push out with the sides, sink down, and let the hands just float down. Here's the breath in. Here's the breath out. Slow breath in. Slow breath out. face the ocean. The right palm crosses the forehead, the left palm pushes out. All the weight on the right side. Sink down. Stand tall, hands float up, palms face out. All the weight shifts to the left. Here's the breath in as we go up. Here's the breath out as we push out. Breath in and breath out. And last one. Breathe in. Breathing out. Now, as we breathe in, the left foot goes out at a 45-degree angle. Thumb and middle finger touch. We shift the weight forward. Let the hands go back. Now, as we shift the weight back, the hands go up. And as we shift the weight forward, the hands come down. Here's the breath in. Here's the breath out. Now the left foot comes back. Right foot down, 45-degree angle. Breath out. So go ahead and breathe in. Go forward, breathe out. Slow breath in. Slow breath out. And we'll do just one more. Breathe out. Palms face the ground. Turn to the left. We shift our weight forward and it's a short push. Leave the elbows bent. Palms face the ground. They don't come in yet, but as you turn, they slowly come towards the body. So when you get to the side, you're ready for the push. Here's the breath in. Here's the breath out. Push happens mostly with your body going forward, not with your arms. So don't reach very far. We don't overextend. Breathe in. Shift the weight. Breathe out. And last one. Breathe out. Now this next one will have two versions again. We make the Tai Chi ball with the right hand on top and the left hand on the bottom. Turn, put the ball in front. The left hand comes up to block. The right hand can push. We just slide our toe forward and push.